Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Vanity Space. So today's video is not really a tutorial style. This is more like a chit chat as I just sort of like get my life together. And while we're getting ready, I'll be doing a little bit of sharing. What can you expect from your girl in the 2020? You know what I'm saying? Let's talk. So I've already prepped my face. I have the Honey Do Me Up primer all over, and then I put the Bare With Me Illuminating One Radiant primer in the high points of my face. We're gonna pick up my ColourPop No Filter in 19E4. Let's talk, shall we? It's always about trying something new, you know what I'm saying? I sat down and thought about some really neat stuff that I wanted to do that was a little bit different than what I normally do. And then I was like, you know what? Let's just go back to the foundation of what I wanted to do initially when I started the conception of thinking about doing my own channel. I wanted to create a channel that was devoted to self-love, self-care, and teaching people different little things, you know, that you can do for yourself, make yourself feels good. You know, we all want to feel good, you know what I'm saying? With that original concept, I had like sat down and I talked to some friends, some fams, some co-workers, just different people, and asked me like, what is it that I do that you guys would like to see? Like me sitting down and explaining how I did it, or actually showing you guys, which is one of the things that I felt was necessary. I've always gotten positive feedback about my makeup looks because your girl be a little extra sometimes. I've gotten feedback on my hair, the health of my hairstyles. How do you do it, girl? I've also gotten questions about my nails. Look at these nails that I just did. These are gorgeous. Hold on, let's turn it that way. There we go. A little sneaky peeky into the Valentine's ideas. Your girl changes her nails like every week or so, you know, telling what I'll be wearing for Valentine's Day. But that got me really thinking, like, you know what? I can show people how to do nails. I'm picking up my ColourPop concealers. So I wanted to show you guys like how I do certain things that I'm passionate about and I'm good at. So it wasn't just gonna be nails, hair, and makeup. I also want to take you guys in my kitchen and show you guys some healthy meal options to kind of get you on that feeling good from the inside out type of vibe. Now, one of the main reasons why I haven't gone into the kitchen or brought you guys into my creative space for my nails is because I haven't really caught the angle. Having the idea is one thing, but like executing it is another. So we're still trying to figure that little thought bubble out. I wanted to share my life in the kitchen. Now, I'm not a skinny gal anymore. I've had some health issues for the last decade, and I want to share that, guys, because I feel like speaking about that is important. The simple fact that we all have something going on, and that was another thing that was important to me when I sat down thinking about what I wanted my channel to be. I wanted this to be a positive, safe space for creativity and learning and just sharing that vibe that I try to push every day, which is staying positive, staying focused, stay motivated, and just remembering, you know what? This situation right now, this moment, it might suck for a second, but it's okay. We all go through struggles. We all have highs and lows, ups and downs, ins and outs. We just go through a cycle in life. And if you stay positive through it, A, you're gonna learn something, and B, you're gonna have a testimonial. You'll have something to look back on and say, you know what, I've been through some things. I got through it. This is how I got there and how I got back. That kind of gives you that credibility. You know, you're always gonna run into somebody who's a little bit of a negative pants, you know? And so when that happens, it gives you that little bit of, you know what, I've been there. We all go through our own thing. And so I wanted to like bring the vibe from my Instagram and my Facebook to my channel. I really was in the vibe of like every day, getting up, posting a vid, a little quick like 2-minute situation of some positive words of encouragement, because you know what, sometimes you just need it, and sometimes you just don't have someone who actively says, you know what, girl, I believe in you. You got this. Don't worry. Just keep pushing. Just keep striving for the best of yourself, and let the cards fall as they may, because you know what? We all go through some stuff. That's why my philosophy is just keep moving. I tell people that all the time. I'm keeping it moving. People ask me, you know, how's it going? I'm keeping it moving, keeping it moving, keeping it moving. You could have lost your job. You could be working a job that you're not excited about. You could be dealing with a situation that was just unpleasant and not something that you want to continue to go through. But you know what? It's getting through it that's going to make you a stronger person. I want to share that vibe here as well. I don't want to like have that just be a contained moment on my Insta. I also want to have that vibe here of, you know what, stuff happens to you, baby, but it's okay. Let's blush. I've touched bases on wanting to do more things in the beauty world as far as like hair and makeup and nails. I want to bring you guys on my healthy journey, sharing with you guys, even though I've had health issues and I've put on some weight that I'm not like wanting to keep forever. I have taken responsibility and accountability in the sense of saying like, you know what, this is not where I want to remain. And so I figured if I can't keep the weight off, at least I can keep excess weight off. So I started eating better and I started sharing the philosophy of eating better with my friends and my family, and people just can't believe some of the things that I've changed in my diet. Your girl is using all sorts of healthier alternatives. If you want to see what those things are, just stay tuned. I'm going to be bold today. I'm not putting on any shadow shield because I didn't pick it up. So let's see what happens. I have just been sort of in a sharing mentality for a long time, and it's just been this energy that I want to put out there, and I want to share how to be healthy without feeling deprived. I mean, like, don't nobody want to be healthy if you walk around here hungry. I'm anti-diet because I hate feeling like I'm the only one in the room and everybody's having the good stuff, and here I am eating celery sticks and carrots. I'm a real person who really likes food, so we ain't gonna be doing all that. I just learned new ways to treat myself to the things that I enjoy. How to eat for fuel and not just be eating, I think is one of the key things that I learned in that journey with food. Because I like food. I like food. But I also want to feel good. And so I had to learn how to do that. So I want to share that with you as well, showing you guys some healthier alternatives, showing you guys how to turn what you like into what is good for you or a better option for you. Family is important to me, you guys. I tell you that all the time. The importance of like sharing, and sharing for me includes my family, sharing my experiences with them and my journeys with them. And we're going to talk about some stuff. You know, we're going to do a little bit more chit-chatting in real life and in this place. You know what I mean? I want this to be your one-stop shop. I want to feed your body, your spirit, you know, your creativity. I was debating about going, you know, shimmer or not, but we don't know yet, so let's find out in a minute. For me, my channel really is a passion project. It's something that I started because I wanted to share the things that I was passionate about and sharing it with people in a wider spectrum, because it's kind of hard for me to share all the things that I do with the people who ask me about it, because A, I don't live near everybody, and B, it's kind of hard to like bring everybody into your little kitchen and bring them into your bedroom and show them how you do your makeup and stuff. Like, it can be a little hard. Those are some things that I wanted to share with you guys as like my original principal idea behind creating my channel. John and I decided to bring our positive speeches, our positive mind frames, and sharing some of our experiences with you guys on here, and probably uploading like 2 videos a week. One of my normally scheduled content, and then the other of bringing what we experienced this week or last week type of stuff to the forefront, speaking on things that matter to us right now, and just sort of sharing that energy with you guys. You're gonna catch on to how we go, like how we get through our day. We want to talk about parenting experiences. You know, as parents, you know, sometimes parenting is not easy. Let's just start there. Being a mom or a dad is not easy because, you know, you're learning every day. There isn't a handbook that they write for you to say, congratulations, it's a boy, it's a girl. Now, here's all the things that you need to know to be an amazing parent. Good luck with that, sis. Girl, these eyes came out cute today. Ooh, baby. I feel like if I line them right now, I'd be taken away from all this beautiful color. We're not gonna do it today. We're gonna just go with the others. Okay, moving on to the lip action. You know, John and I talk about a lot of the things that I do before I actually do it. I've been asked to do like some Q&As. So if you guys have questions, you can always like drop a question on my Insta. You can drop a question below and I'll try my best to get back to you guys as quickly as I can get an answer. You know what I'm saying? The brain has to work with me first. Ooh, your girl looks all bright. Just a little heads up. We are this close to 50. And John and Jeremiah were talking about what we want to do to like celebrate hitting 50. And so the two of them have decided that once we hit 50 subscribers, John is going to volunteer himself to get his makeup done by Jeremiah. Jeremiah is going to pick the video that he wants to recreate and John is going to let him do it. I'm so excited. If you guys want to feel that energy with me, tell somebody, subscribe, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button, share these videos, get some people's energy into the situation because I can't wait to see this video. It's going to be freaking hilarious. So John's going to let Jeremiah do his makeup. I already told you guys that for hitting 50. And then we have another milestone plan for hitting 100, hitting 500, and hitting 1,000. As we get closer to those milestones, we'll start giving you guys a little sneak, a little snippet of what we got planned for that. We're going to like share milestones from here to 1,000. And who knows from there. If you guys want to know more about this hairstyle situation, this is my twist look from a video or two ago. So check that out. I basically just took my twist down and then just wore it as a twist out. And then I revitalized that bad boy using my DIY butter. Like, guys, my DIY butter is amazing for bringing the look back to life. Because wash day is tomorrow and your girl still is popping. All right, my lovies, this is today's finished look. Ooh, I feel so voluptuous. I feel like a 1980s hairband moment right now, but I'm digging. Thank you so much for joining me and going on this experience with me. I hope you guys are buckled in, chimed in, subscribed so you guys can continue to come on a journey with me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. And as always, stay bold and colorful. Keep smiling, keep pushing, stay positive, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.